Hey everyone, Kristen Bradley here, your Tampa Bay Area real estate agent. So I'm looking for a little bit of help. So I'm making a best guide in all of Tampa Bay Area, so St. Pete, Tampa, and the little surrounding cities, of the best vegan dessert spots. In all 100% honesty, I am not vegan, but my wife and daughter do not eat dairy. So when I was trying to find good spots to take them for desserts, it was very limited, and researching online took forever. So I'm trying to put a one-stop, one-shop guide together. I have a few places in St. Pete that we go to, and there's a few in Tampa that I want to try, but I'd love your help and your recommendations that you love to go to, and I'm going to put a whole list together of videos, and I'm going to actually review them. And I'm gonna put it all online and hopefully get some feedback from all of you. But hit me up and, you know, send me your recommendations, and I'd love to help and see how they pan out. Between us and me right now, my favorite is Plant Love. The ice cream is bomb, and I don't even want regular ice cream now, and it's totally ruining my ketogenic diet, FYI, but who knows. Let's see, give me some recommendations. Thanks so much.